Go to the project tab, select new project, give name as the rotate left, and save the file. Take the device target one microcontroller as P89 V51 RD2. Click OK. Click no. Select new file and save as the file name as rotate left operation .asm. Save the file. Go to the target file, go to the source group 1 and add existing file. Add the file, close the tab, and now we will go to the write the program. So very firstly give the command assembly language program for rotate left operation. Now we will start to write the program as a rotate left operation. So very firstly start with org00h. So starting with origin or starting with org00h. So move is the mnemonic or used to transfer the data. A is the accumulator register or destination, hash is the source, and 40h is the hexadecimal data. So for this, the 40h it will store the accumulator register A. Give the command as the move the immediate value 40h into register A. Perform the rotate left operation. For this give the command rotate the bits of A one position to left, one position to the left, and end of the program. So now we will move to check the error. So click on the translate the currently active file, then click on the build option, then click on the rebuild option, and the here below we will give the 0 errors and 0 warnings. Then now we will move to the run the program. Click OK. Then click on the step 1 line. The 40h, the hexadecimal value, it is stored in the accumulator register A, or we can say in destination. Then again click on the step 1 line, then we will give the directly answer. The 80 is the answer of this program. Now we will move to the how the answer is coming. Let's talk on this. So very firstly, the 40h, the hexadecimal value, it is converted into the binary. When it will convert it into the binary, then on this binary numbers we can perform the rotate left operation. So there is the 8-bit uh, accumulators are rotated one bit to the left, means the bit number 7, this bit number. So very firstly, so this bit number 7, it is rotated into the bit number 0 position. Means it will move to the bit number 0 position. So as a result, we will get these binary numbers. So when these binary numbers are converted into hexadecimal value, so then we will get the ATH as the hexadecimal value. So this is the answer of this rotate left program. So here we can see the AT, it is stored in the accumulator or accumulator register or destination. So here is the answer of this program. So if you like this video or help this video from me, then like, share and subscribe for the channel. So thank you friends.